So I just want to make this quick video about the opportunity that lies ahead. So whether you're looking for an active business model to follow online, whereby you're going to give it everything and you're going to run it full time, this can be it. But also, if you want to run something spare time and just make a bit of side income whilst not impacting your quality of life or taking too much time up, you can do that too. See, Amazon is the world's largest e-commerce retailer, and it's legit growing exponentially. When you look at the sales charts on Amazon, the billions and I don't know, I guess hundreds of billions or whatever, but when you look at the sales chart of what it's done over the last few years, it goes exponential. So what an exponential curve is it's basically, it's not linear or whatever. It's not just going up like a normal business would grow. If it was successful, it's doing this. It's like taking off like a rocket ship, and it shows no signs of slowing down. All you've got to do is look for recent years' sales on Amazon, and you can see each year is better than the last year. Now, the majority of the sales on Amazon are sold by third-party sellers. That's people like you and people like me. Small businesses, small one-man bands or one-woman bands, mom and pop type things that are run from the bedroom or from the garage or whatever, but they're running in the spare time. And Amazon gives you an opportunity to tap into this tremendous growth curve that Amazon is currently on. So as they grow and as their sales grow and more customers come online with Amazon, you get to harness that growth. So you're not going to be going into a dying industry. Quite the opposite. Amazon is literally killing a ton of brick and mortar businesses, and there's a real disruption and change happening out there. And by selling on Amazon, instead of being a victim of that, like, I don't know, some small retailers might be, you're actually going to capitalize on it. And as Amazon grows, your business will grow with it. And the beauty of, and we'll talk about this later, but the beauty of compound income means that when you make your money that you invest into your business, into stock, into more money, well, when you go do that again, you've not just got your original investment, you've got the investment plus what you made the first time selling your stock. And then when you do it again, you're making profit on all that stock. And the idea is to keep your money turning over, keep your money in the business for as long as you can, try and take as little out as possible, and just keep rolling it up and rolling it up. And the beauty of selling on Amazon is they take care of the picking, packing, shipping, selling, and most of the customer service. They basically take care of pretty much everything for you. So you can legitimately run this around your job, around your family life, around traveling, whatever it is you're doing, you can legit run this business wherever you are. And I've seen people, in fact, just yesterday, I was talking to a student of ours, and they turned, what was it? I think maybe £1,000. So that's probably about $1,300 US. Into 50,000 worth of sales. So £50,000 worth of sales. So that'll be, I don't know, 70,000-ish US dollars sales in 9 months, I think it was, something like that. 1,000 starting into 50,000 within 9 months. And again, a lot of that is due to the power of compounding income. I don't want to make this video too long. So basically, look, you're in the right place at the right time. Amazon's growing massively, and third-party sellers are a massive part of that growth. And you can legitimately become one simply by following this course, following it step by step, signing up to be a seller on Amazon, and start selling on Amazon and capture some of their growth. So I'll see you in the next video.